Hello, beautiful people. I welcome you once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Wow. Yes, we have a problem right now for us to peruse. All right. We are asked to find the length of the arc. Now, this is the arc. Okay. This is the subtended angle. And this is the radius. Now, looking at this problem, you will see that this is a complete circle that is, divided into two regions. This is the minor arc, and this other part is the major arc. Now, when you see a problem like this, although we are asked to look for the length of the arc, but I just want to explain some little things. This angle you see here is the angle for that of the minor arc. So for you to know the angle for that of the major arc, it will be this other part going this way, which will be 360 degree minus 56 degree. We now give you the angle of the major arc. All right, let us come back to our problem. The length of the arc L is equal to the fractional angle theta all over 360 degrees multiplied by the perimeter or circumference of a circle 2 pi r. All right, this is the first thing we need to do to be able to solve this problem. Now, theta is the subtended angle, the angle for this arc we are looking at. That's why I call it the minor arc. Okay, it will now be 56 degrees divided by 360 degrees, which is the fractional angle, multiplied by 2, multiplied by pi. Pi is a constant, 22 all over 7, multiplied by arrow. Arrow is 14 meters, which is 14. Okay, the next thing we are going to do, we know that 7 can successfully divide 14. It will give us 2. So we have this part, this going to this will give us 2. Okay, the next thing we need to do, 56 divided by 360 will give us 0.156. 2 multiplied by 22 will give us 44. 44 multiplied by 2 will give us 88. So multiply by 88. All right. The next thing to do now is to get our final answer, which is the length of the arc when multiplying 0.156 by 88. That will give us 13.73. Because of the fact that the radius is in meter, the length of the arc will also maintain that unit in meter. So the length of our arc for this problem is 13.73 meters. So thanks for watching this video. Do well to follow the page Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Thank you. Bye-bye.